Probably ain't even cold.
Oh, they don't know it's cold. That's the last thing on their damn mind, that cold water. Brad gonna be freezing here in a little bit.
Don't go back in there. Pick that thing up. There you go.
103.
Nice, man. All right, dog.
There she goes.
That's
That's what I'm talking about, Brad. Damn, guys.
Holy crap.
Hell, now, which way y'all brought it in the boat?
Congratulations.
Who actually caught it?
I caught it.
Fuck yeah. Let me give you another
I'll
handshake.
tell you what, son.
Hell
You
yeah.
ran off and I was like,